I got up not too long ago and I've had horrible cramps. They finally stopped a little bit and then it's gonna start again in probably like 5 minutes. I have Bible study this morning, but I just don't think I'm gonna make it. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. I feel better finally. The ibuprofen has kicked in. It's been about an hour and a half. I showered, I put some sunscreen on, I did a little bit of stretching and some stomach massaging. We're all good. So it's time to eat now. I'm so hungry, and I actually found this new pho place and I went ahead and I ordered red guava milk tea. So I typically go for a coconut milk tea, but I want to try something different and I love guava. I ordered some pork fried egg rolls, and then I got a beef brisket with mushrooms and carrots. I got some kind of spicy noodle that has like fresh vegetables and things, and I got a chicken version of that. So I'm gonna go pick that up. I am very, very, very hungry. And then I'm gonna go pick up a foundation. We're gonna make a little Ulta trip. I'm wanting a foundation that's more skin-like. I hate when I'm wearing makeup and the face and the neck look completely different, but I don't wanna have to blend makeup down my neck and chest. And during the summertime, all of this area is exposed and I just hate the two-tone. So I heard some really good things about a certain foundation, so we're gonna try it out. So freaking good. I picked up my herbs, you guys. I got some rosemary and some sweet mint and basil, of course, and some fresh cilantro. I'm gonna start a little mini herb garden in the backyard, but it's been so rainy lately that I'm glad I didn't put it out yet because it actually hailed a little bit yesterday. That's my herb garden right there. I'm gonna clean it out. It's actually so beautiful today and perfect weather to do gardening, but it's gonna start storming again in a little bit. So I think I'm gonna wait a couple of days. I want them to do well. I wanna give them a nice environment to start with, you know what I mean? And I need to learn how to mow. You're probably thinking you're an adult and you don't know how to mow. So yeah, I told the lady that I was looking for something more natural, like a skin tint, and that's when she introduced me to this. She said to make sure you shake it. I forgot. It's really, really watery, and it was $43. This is the consistency. Very, very liquidy. I think that's all I need for my whole face. I'm just gonna bend down here. I have a lot of redness on my nose and in my chin area. Look at that. It's so lightweight and it just feels like a moisturizer, but it feels really nourishing for some reason. Let's see how well that blended. If that's not natural, I don't know what is. Is the lighting good? Can you guys see? It's a perfect match and exactly what you're looking for to just run out the door and run errands. Look a little more put together without looking like you have foundation on. I hate that foundation-y look. Coconut everything has been hitting the spot. That's all I want, like Asian food and coconuts. Speaking of coconuts, I've been planning this trip to Miami every single day since we bought our tickets. We leave in June and I have been swimsuit shopping like crazy. And I shared with you guys that I picked out a couple of one-piece swimsuits, bikinis, swimsuit covers, all of that are super cute. Amazon has come such a long way and I love everything that I picked out. I put them on my Amazon storefront if you guys want to check them out. If you're in the market for a new swimsuit this year, I think that the price point is very good and the style, there's so many different styles. They're so flattering. I love them so much. The link is in the description below if you are interested. So let's get something to eat. I'm gonna make a simple burrito. I have the extra soft tortillas. I have Mexican style cheese, these authentic refried black beans, one of my favorite salsas, some guac. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this and have lunch. Now I know this does not look very attractive, but I assure you it is delicious. Hello, it is a new day, my friends, and although the weather is not cooperating this spring day, we're gonna keep with the positive spring energy regardless. Now, I'm not typically a makeup girl. I wanted to show you guys my attempt. I did a full face today of my version of daytime glam. So I put a little bit on my eyes. I did a little bit of liner at the corner and I put some color. What do you guys think? I don't know if it's really even showing up that well on camera, but I really do have a full face and it feels so good. I'm gonna spend just a minute or two giving you encouragement. You need this. If you've been feeling down, if you've been feeling just bleh, if you've been feeling high with anxiety or stressed or just overly tired, I'm here to encourage you. You don't want to miss it. This is the perfect time to do a refresh and declutter of your mind, body, and soul, of your home. Spring just reminds me of a full life refresh, focusing on like the inner part of us that makes us happy so that we can get ourselves mentally and physically ready for hot girl summer, okay? No, so that we can have a happy life and really just have peace and harmony in our daily lives. So doing a little spring cleaning and organization is going to change the way you feel inside your home. Tackling those closets, those drawers that you may have in the kitchen, or tackling that laundry room, just finding the spaces in your home where you don't feel very good, the spaces that you intentionally avoid. Maybe jump on Pinterest. I'm going to make a lot of Pinterest references because I think it's the best visual inspiration that we have, and it really has the potential to excite you. So tackle those rooms, maybe get some plants, maybe adding a tree, maybe getting different types of lighting for your living room so it adds that cozy ambiance in the evening time. That's always a great feeling. Just spending some time thinking about how you can refresh your space and make it feel magical for you, however that looks. A lot of times people compliment my downstairs area, which I think is very nice, thank you, and say that it looks so peaceful and calming and how do you keep it so clean and all of that. But to be fair, I am a stay-at-home wife, so I get to spend my morning doing my chores, cooking and cleaning. Like, that's my job, is to take care of the house. I have the time to do it, where if I was working a full-time job, I would probably be too exhausted and the house wouldn't be as clean for sure. But yeah, tip number one is to declutter and refresh your home, making it a space that you feel good and happy in, that immediately puts you in a good mood. Number two, spring is such a great time to refresh your diet. This is the time to, again, jump on Pinterest and look at those visuals and get excited about your favorite fruits and vegetables. We all know that you are what you eat, right? What you put in your body is going to affect your mood, how you feel in terms of energy and all of that. So it's important that we reintroduce your favorite fruits and vegetables back into every meal. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, add your favorites. It's going to just really improve your hydration, because a lot of times we can wake up just like, ugh. But those fruits and vegetables have the power to revitalize you. So my second tip is make sure you add those fruits and vegetables to every single meal this spring. And lastly, this is a super, super important one, our mind, you guys. We have to make sure we do a nice refresh on our mind. I like to do this quarterly. I like to bring out paper and pen and just reflect on what is making me feel tired, what's making me feel stressed. Are there any decisions, important, big decisions, that I'm intentionally avoiding, kind of putting off for a later time to decide on because it causes me anxiety? Those are the things that can cause us to feel weighed down and mentally tired, that keep us from getting a good night's rest. So we need to really pay attention to our mind and how we're feeling, and making sure we're not avoiding certain things that need to be worked out. You know what I'm talking about? It could be relationships, it could be in your job, it could be dealing with yourself on many different levels. So whatever it is for you, work it out. You're going to feel a lot better. You're going to get your energy back. You're going to feel revitalized. And there's nothing like a good inside spring cleaning. Nobody likes feeling unsettled. It steals your peace. And we all know at this point that there's nothing more important than your peace. So I hope you guys take this advice and just get a sense of a new and improved you. It's easy to do, just follow those steps, and I think that you'll be on the right track to truly feeling happy. It's the little things in life. It's getting back to the basics that really makes a big difference in our day-to-day life. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I had so much fun just hanging out around the house. Besides that first day, that was absolutely brutal. This cycle has been beating me up, and today I'm just feeling really good. I wanted to pass that same energy to you. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day or night, wherever you are. Don't forget, you can always follow me on Instagram. I have that linked in the description below. Check out my Amazon store if you're in the market for some swimsuits or spring dresses. I have great skincare in there. Check it out. And I also have some girls' night videos that I'm going to list down below. We all love a good girls' night. Benjam, have a good time, and I will see you in the next one. So until next time, bye for now. I filmed all of that and I completely forgot to put the lipstick on. This was the complete look. This was supposed to be, you know?